Good morning and welcome to Financial Friday, your end of week financial update from your credit union. Good morning. I am Crystal Parker, Financial Education and Community Outreach Ambassador, and it is great to be with you today. This week, we're talking about the magic of raising financially responsible young people. For many of us, we feel like it takes a little dose of magic to raise financially responsible young people. But I'm here to tell you that it doesn't require magic, but it might and probably does require a little collaboration. Raising financially responsible young people is not something we can do on our own, but together we can hopefully make this happen. Did you know that in Virginia, students in kindergarten through third grade have required standards of learning on economics and personal finance? And did you know that students in high school are required to take a class on economics and personal finance? I don't know about you, but when I was in school, that high school course was not required. And I'm sure my hesitation and the things I didn't know to be financially responsible as an adult would have gone a lot better had I been taught those things. Some of us might not write checks very often, but knowing the basics of check writing, endorsing, filing your taxes, understanding credit, and other things are really important. And for so many of us, these things were not taught to us when we were in school. Fortunately, this is not the case for students today, at least not in Virginia. And making sure that students are learning this does require some collaboration and working together. So that's one thing to help. The other thing is education. We have to teach young people to be financially responsible. And that does require some intentionality. It requires us having conversations with young people about money. And sometimes talking about money can feel a little uncomfortable. But if we don't talk to them about it, who will? So collaboration and education are really important. We as a credit union find financial education to be really important. It's actually part of what makes us who we are and makes us different. Credit unions are considered financial cooperatives, and we're guided by 7 cooperative principles. We'll dig more into these at a later date, but the one I want to talk about today is education. And we believe in the importance of teaching our staff, our members, and our community about financial education so that they're financially literate in making informed financial choices. And so by making sure that students are learning this, we make this a priority. But we can't teach every kid as much as we'd like to. And so we realize the importance of teaching you as the adults in their lives. And so throughout the month of April, we're going to talk a little bit about making financially responsible young people each week. And we're going to end the month with a seminar on this topic. April is Financial Capability Month. It's also referred to as Credit Union Youth Month, National Youth Financial Literacy Month. And so this month, we're going to focus a little more on the younger people in our community and in our membership. But we have to talk to the adults too, because you have to help them learn this stuff. So we're teaching you, not just them this month. The other thing that's really important for raising financially responsible young people is helping them to understand the magic of savings. So many people today do not have $500 in their savings account or more to cover an emergency. So getting in the habit of saving at a young age is really, really important. There are even studies when it comes to financial capability that say the important thing for students is to learn about money and how to manage it, but they also need a bank account. Those two things together really help make financially responsible young people because they will have the information they need, and they will also have the account at a younger age to practice implementing those things they're learning. So together, learning and having an account is really important. Throughout the month of April, we're encouraging youth to save. And if they save, they have the opportunity to win some really cool prizes for doing that. All of us should focus on saving, but it's really important to help our young people dig in to this focus of saving. So we'll talk more about that. If you would like to learn more about the magic of raising financially responsible young people, join us each week for Financial Friday right here at 9:30 on Fridays, or join us for the seminar, which will be over Zoom on April 29th at 7:30 p.m., where we'll talk in greater detail about the magic of raising financially responsible young people. I hope to see you later this month, hopefully every week. And if you have topics you'd like to see us cover, do not hesitate to reach out by sending an email to fined@henricofcu.org. Have a great day, everyone.